Hello, this is Dan at TowGo, and today I'm going to show you how you can back up your RV, boat trailer, or any other kind of trailer straight. And I mean really straight. Here you will see that we're starting out in a parking space, but you could also be at a campground, a boat ramp, at the stables, or anywhere really. To back up straight to your intended place, you'll usually drive directly away from your destination. This will get your truck and whatever you're towing lined up with where you want to go. Press the button to let the system know you're lined up. Now put your hand on top of the wheel and rotate it to about 10 o'clock and start backing up. If you look in the bottom right corner of this video, you'll see the app flash and beep. If your hand is at 10 o'clock when it beeps, rotate the wheel to 2 o'clock. If your hand is at 2 o'clock when it beeps, rotate it back to 10 o'clock. Whenever you hear the app beep, reverse the rotation of the wheel. That's all you have to do. And don't worry if you don't put your hand at exactly 10 o'clock or exactly 2 o'clock. The system is smart enough to adjust the timing of the flash and beep to compensate if your hand isn't in the same place every time. Now, we've done this demonstration in an empty parking lot so you can see what's really going on, and we've backed up quite a long distance. If this were a boat ramp, you'd rarely have to back up so far. But notice that the trailer is right back in the parking space where we started. Now that's straight. The TowGo system works with just about any combination of truck and trailer. And check out our website for more videos on how to back up through a curve and around a corner. Hope to see you there soon.